Good morning, friend. Today we will discuss second chapter of unit number third, revision lecture on nuclear power plant. What is nuclear power plant? Nuclear energy, why we have used. Here, nuclear power plant in using nuclear fuel like uranium, using this heat energy from produced by uranium by spontaneous reactions, fusion of fission reaction produce heat, and using this heat energy to rotate our turbine, that is called nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant produces 1 kg equal to 45,000 ton. Other are depleting fast, non-seasonal like hydro, easy to transport, small storage, nuclear reservoir 10 raised to 11 ton, thorium 963 triple zero ton of thorium oxide, low operating cost compared to coal, disadvantage high initiate cost, waste is hazardous, need trained manpower, high degree of safety required. Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of electricity in India after coal, gas, hydroelectricity, and wind power. As on March 2018, India has 22 nuclear reactors in operation in 7 nuclear power plants, having a total installed capacity 6780 megawatt. Nuclear power produces a total of 35 TWh and supplied 3.22% of Indian electricity in 2017. Six more reactors are under construction with a combined generation capacity of 4300 megawatt. Table shows nuclear power plants situated in the world by country. Here, atomic structure of atom, neutron, proton, nucleus, electron. An introduction to atomic number, isotope, and isobar. Isotopes, atom having same atomic number but different mass number. Isobars, atom having same number of nucleus but different in number of protons that have same mass number and different atomic number. There are many isotopes of uranium, 235, uranium 292. This is 92, number of protons and number of neutrons is 143. Making uranium richer. Only uranium 235 is fissionable. Natural uranium is aromatic is less than 1% U-235. A nuclear power plant needs to fear that is 4% U-235. Uranium needs to be treated to the enrich to increase the percentage U-235. Uranium figure shows uranium 238 radioactive decay chain, nuclear fission reaction shown in figure, nuclear fission equation. Here we have showed nuclear fission equation. Energy produces by formula E equal to mc square. Uranium fission chain reaction shown in figure. Nuclear split up, neutron energy release, energy and energy. Nuclear fusion reaction shown in figure. What is difference between fission and fusion reaction of nuclear? In nuclear fission reaction, a heavy nucleus break up to form two lighter nuclei. Two in nuclear fusion reaction, two light nuclei combine to form heavy nucleus. It involves a chain reaction. Chain reaction is not involved. The heavy nucleus is bombarded with neutron. Light nuclei are heated to extremely high temperature. We have proper mechanism to control fusion reaction for generating electricity. Proper mechanics to control fusion reaction are yet to be developed. In fission reaction, disposal of nuclear waste is a great environmental problem. In fusion reaction, disposal of nuclear waste is not involved. In fission reaction, raw material is not easily available and is costly. In fusion reaction, raw material is comparatively cheap and easily available. Component of nuclear power plant or nuclear power station. Containment building, reactor vessel, fuel rods, coolant pump, control rods, steam, turbine, alternator, con- condenser and chimney, cooling tower, nuclear reactor core, moderator, control rod, coolant, reflector, thermal shielding. This is part of nuclear reactor. Picture shows reactor vessel. Nuclear fuel rod clad with stainless steel, zirconium by aluminum to prevent oxidation of uranium. Moderator, reduce speed of neutron, shown in figure. Control rods, shown in figure. Control rod control the speed of reaction. Reflector, good absorber of good reflector, so moderator are used as a reflector, shown in figure. Coolant, shown in figure. Shading, multiple layer of safety. 45 inch steel reinforced concrete, 1/4 inch steel liner, 36 inch concrete shading, 8 inch steel reactor vessel, nuclear fuel assembler. Safety in engineering into reactor designer. Containment vessel, shared building wall, dry well wall, bio-shaded, reactor vessel, reactor fuel, well wall, reactor classification based on neutron energy, thermal neutron reactor, light water, heavy water, moderated, graphite moderated. In light water moderated, two types, boiling water reactor, pressurized water reactor. In graphite moderated, gas cooled, water cooled. Fast neutron reactor, liquid metal cooled, based on fuel use, natural uranium, enriched uranium. Based on current use, water cooled, heavy water cooled, liquid metal, gas cooled. Based on moderator use, water and heavy water reactor, graphite reactor, beryllium reactor. Based on type of core use, homogeneous reactor, heterogeneous reactor. Types of nuclear reactor power plant, thermal reactor, pressurized water reactor, boiling water reactor, the gas cooled reactor, high temperature gas cooled reactor, pressurized heavy water reactor, fast breeder reactor, liquid metal fast breeder reactor, gas cooled fast breeder reactor. Here, pressurized water reactor shown in figure. The interior of the reactor is maintained at high pressure to prevent water from boiling. Despite its high temperature, a steam generator produces steam using water other than water powering inside pressurized water reactor. The interior of the reactor is maintained at high pressure to prevent water from boiling despite its high temperature. A steam generator produces steam using water other than the water flowing inside the reactor. Figure shows the pressurized water reactor. Boiling water reactor shown in figure BWR uses enriched uranium as a fuel. No need of heat exchanger as a direct conversion of water into the steam. So it is called direct cycle boiling water reactor power plant. Gas cooled reactor shown in figure. CO2 in UK instead as a coolant and graphite as a moderator. Natural uranium as a fuel. Current pressure is a 7 bar and temperature is 336 Celsius. 336 Celsius. In helium, instead as a coolant and graphite as a moderator, 15 bar to 30 bar and temperature 700 to 800 Celsius, called high temperature gas cooled reactor. CANDU, cadmium, deuterium and uranium reactor, that is called CANDU, shown in figure. Canada deuterium uranium reactor, shown in figure. Sodium cooled liquid metal reactor, shown in figure. Liquid metal cooled fast feeder reactor, we have seen in figure. This is basic structure or component of nuclear power plant. Running power plant situated in India. Total power generated is from nuclear power plant is 6,780 megawatt. Picture shows actual nuclear power plant. Decline of nuclear power plant. The public began fearful of possible meltdown, especially after the disaster of 3 Mile Island. Nearly 2 or 3 of all orders of new plants were cancelled in the late 1970s. No new plant having been built up in the past 25 years. Here we have discussed nuclear power plant revised lecture. This is second chapter of third unit. Now here we have completed our 5 lectures on 3 unit, like as first, second and third unit. We have completed our syllabus here. Thank you.